Hello, welcome to another Dying Light 2 video walkthrough. We're in the Welcome on Board story quest. I sort of skipped quite far ahead because there was a lot of this event that was this story action, which was wandering around and talking to a bunch of people. We visited everybody on Missy, which is a big boat. We went and talked to Juan. He was totally helpless or not helpful, and then we got tired of that and went to talk to Juan, and she sent us to this building to get some art to give to Juan to convince him otherwise. While we were near here, we noticed that we had a Night Runners hideout here, so we went ahead and turned that on. The recommendation is that we use this vent to get up there, and we're going to do that right now. Where we want to get to is one of two places. There's a couple of ways we can get over and up, but we want to get right to that platform right there, because that will begin our story looking through. And so we're going to use this vent over here to assist us, making sure that we don't fall. Gotta love the... So we're going to try to shoot straight for that. See if we can hit it in one swoop. If not, we might do something slightly different.
How's it going? You there yet?
Not yet. I've reached the building, but... How did you say I should get to the top?
We did it. We got the vent. Let's see what we can find around here. One floor too low, so that was actually floor we wanted to get to. Come to the end of it, jump up. Here we go. Now we're where we can be. So we got to look for clues to find the artwork. Start out over here with this clue.
Luan? There's nothing left in
hanging
here.
on the walls.
Daniel said it's a virgin spot. Keep looking.
We'll do a little bit of checking around. We want to get up to the second floor. Easiest way there is up here. Hang across.
I took these paintings, but no room for Jessica. One romantic son of a bitch.
Gotta love scraps, because it's what we build so much of our weaponry out of. Having done that, wander down the hallway, search some more. Phone message.
Voice message from 536. Yes.
Mr. Bukowski, your transport is en route to you. The art collection should be on the roof already. As soon as the chopper is over the city, we'll call again.
Luan, I think I found his stash. A helicopter was coming for this guy. They sent everything to the roof. I'm headed there to look.
Good luck.
Up on the roof. Blue over here.
Ah, fuck. There aren't any paintings left. Everything's been destroyed. Hey, Luan? Found our collector, but no sign of his collection. Luan? Hey, you there?
Jesus, Aiden. I told you I was leaving.
Okay, quick thing. Nothing here except for a bottle of whiskey and one of vodka. At least the whiskey's the good stuff.
Juan likes a good whiskey. Maybe if you get him shit-faced, he'll loosen up, so to speak.
No,
He's still in the
total
canteen?
loss.
I saw him leaving. Seemed to be heading back to the ship, probably to his quarters.
Okay, I'll go there.
And listen, that vodka, Daniel is a big fan. If you're planning to drop by, which you probably aren't, but if you really want to get to know this city, this is the way. Just saying.
So we will drop the vodka off at the fisheye and take the whiskey back to the... Missy. I also noticed along here while I was at it that not only do we have the Night Runner's hideout, we also have this military drop. And we're most of the way to the top of getting this military drop just by being here. So we're going to try to get there from this starting point. But anyway, dropping off this video. Hope it helps you get to the top and find the artwork, but actually the whiskey. I'll let you deliver it on your own, as I'm going to deliver it on my own. And check out the next video as we try to get that military drop over there. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and let me know what you think.